Germany about 2015, and the Reinhold Ormitzer with the Frau. And it was not really the plan that we will meet here in Fatima, no? But also this family also have some wishes granted and also prayers through the intercession of Our Lady Mother of Our Lady of Fatima. The family able to grant the wishes for the family for having a child. No? And they are here always for this pilgrimage, family pilgrimage, almost every year. No? And yes, brothers and sisters, I was here when I remembered 5 years ago. I was not with a group of pilgrims, but it's a personal going here in Our Lady of Fatima. And I was cannot really imagine as a priest serving in Stuttgart, Germany for almost 10 years and able to celebrate as a priest the Holy Mass in the place of the apparition of Our Lady Mother of Fatima. I am so blessed. And also fortunate that the readings, the ordinary readings that we had today, also really centered on the message of Our Lady of Fatima from the Gospel according to St. John, where Jesus said to his disciples, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give it to you. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid." So brothers and sisters in Christ, peace. For me personally, in our world today, we really need what Our Lady Mother told to the little children at the time. Pray for peace in the world. And we know in the time really this world war is happening. And Our Lady really asks the children through that